Hello 11th class, we are here on the same chapter number 2, rights in the Indian Constitution, and today we will be discussing all the fundamental rights which are being mentioned in the Constitution. So let us first of all come to know about the names of those articles, those fundamental rights, and in which article they have been mentioned in the Constitution. So fundamental right number 1 is right to equality, and in Constitution this has been mentioned in article from article 14 to 18. That means 14 to 18 articles, they explain the right to equality. Right to freedom has been explained in 19 to 22, article 19 to 22. Similarly, right against exploitation, article 23, 24. Right to freedom of religion, 25 to 28. Cultural and educational rights, article 29 and 30. And last, right to constitutional remedies, article 32. So in this video we are discussing the very first right, that is right to equality. Well, if we right to equality means what? Indian Constitution has given you the right to equality, and this right makes equality as the bedrock of the Indian polity, you can say. And under this right, he has explained you, the Constitution has explained these many equalities. So let us discuss one by one. First is equality before law, and this has been explained in article 14. Equality before law means the Constitution guarantees that all people they will be treated equally before law and equal protection of law within the territory of India. मतलब Indian territory में जितने भी हम citizens हैं, we all are equal. There can be no discrimination between one citizen and the other citizen. No discrimination at all between one citizen and the other citizen. On the basis of, you can say, caste, color, creed, gender, मतलब कोई बेस ही नहीं है. कोई बेस को लेके किसी भी पॉइंट पे हम we cannot deal the individuals, the citizens of the country separately. All are equal before the law. This has been explained in article 14. Now article 15 explains no discrimination. That state shall not discriminate against any citizen on the ground of religion, race, caste, gender, birthplace and so on. ठीक है. All citizens shall be they will have the access to everything. All public places, all public restaurants, all public parks, everything, all holy places, all tanks, all drinking water, drinking के जो source हैं, everything, there will not at all be any discrimination. सब citizens को equally they are equally treated. There is no discrimination. Then article 16 क्या गारंटी करता है? Article 16 of the Constitution guarantees equality of opportunity. That means no citizen on grounds of only same thing, religion, race, caste, gender, residence, birth, be ineligible. किसी को ineligible नहीं हम कर सकते, किसी को discriminate हम नहीं कर सकते in respect of employment, ठीक है, और एनी अदर ऑफिशियल सर्विसेज अंडर द स्टेट. Everybody has got the equal opportunity for the government services. Clear? It means the appointments in the government job will be only on the basis of merit, no extra consideration for anyone. The state has the authority to make a reservation, ठीक है, in favor of OBCs, backward classes. That is a separate thing. ठीक है, उसको हम inequality नहीं कहते. वो भी इक्वालिटी को लाने के लिए ही उनको रिजर्वेशन किया जाता है. ठीक है, कि दे शुड ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू द रेस्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. सो इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी मतलब देर इज नो डिफरेंस इन गेटिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर द गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज. Then abolition of untouchability. This evil, you can say it as an evil, this evil of untouchability was prevailing in India since long. So our constitution has made a clear mention that untouchability will be banned. ठीक है, वाई? बिकॉज सोशल जस्टिस इज इम्पॉसिबल, यू कैनॉट अचीव. अगर आप अनटचेबिलिटी कंटिन्यू करते हो तो सोशल जस्टिस यू कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ. So this practice has to be abolished by all means, and in the constitution this has been abolished. So earlier what was this कि जो हमारे शेड्यूल्ड और लोअर कास्ट के लोग थे, दे वर नॉट अलाउड टू बी ए पार्ट ऑफ ऑल द पब्लिक प्लेसेस. मंदिर जाने नहीं दिया जाता था. जो गांव में कॉमन सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर होते थे वहाँ नहीं उनको यूज़ करने दिया जाता था. बेदिंग घाट्स पे नहीं जाने दिया जाता था. इवन स्कूल्स में उनके बच्चों को एडमिशन नहीं दिया जाता था. गांव के बाहर उनका सेटअप कर दिया जाता था रहने वगैरह के लिए. So this has been abolished by the constitution. So next is abolition of titles. When there was this one British rule, colonial rule, उस टाइम से ये सिस्टम चलता आ रहा है, ठीक है. बट आर्टिकल 13 प्रोवाइड्स दैट नो टाइटल, वेदर मिलिट्री और एकेडमिक डिस्टिंक्शन, जो टाइटल करे, ऐसा कोई टाइटल जो है दैट इज प्रोहिबिटेड. ठीक है. किसी फॉरेन स्टेट का भी टाइटल यू कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट. सो दिस हैज़ बिन गिवन. क्या होता है कि टाइटल देने से एक गैप आ जाता है, एक डिफरेंस आ जाता है. कॉमन सिटीज़न, आर्म्स, जो आपका कंट्री का कॉमन सिटीज़न है और जिसको टाइटल मिला हुआ है, वो उनमें एक डिफरेंस आ जाता है. जबकि हमारा राइट क्या कहता है? इक्वालिटी. सो टाइटल से इक्वालिटी को इनइक्वालिटी में नहीं चेंज किया जा सकता. सो दिस हैज़ बिन टोटली प्रोहिबिटेड and abolished under Article 18. So this was all about your right to equality. Next video, next right. Thank you.